This video is how to add pages. Those are the static pages that will appear across the top of your site, such as Meet the Trainer, classes, contact information. We're going to go ahead over here and choose Pages. Unlike posts, pages do not have categories. Pages will be nested inside each other. So if you'd like your trainers, such as Caroline and Michael, to appear under Meet the Trainers, then you'll make them under Meet the Trainers, and I'll show you how to do that now. I've gone ahead and set up your basic pages, and we're going to go ahead and add a new page now. We're going to add a new page for a new trainer. So we'll hit Add New at the top, and since this is just a sample, we're just going to put Sample here. Down here, we're going to go ahead and add the trainer's bio, and we're going to type all about them and whatever information they'd like to be in here. You're going to go ahead and add a picture by clicking Add Media. And again, we're going to use this sample picture I've already uploaded. What you'll need to do to add an image is click Upload Files, and then you can choose Select Files, and it will open your hard drive so you can pick the file that you'd like to select to upload. Then you'll put a check mark by that picture in order to add it. We're going to go ahead and insert that in. And as long as it's appearing the right size, you're good. If you'd like it to be bigger or smaller, you can click it. And then you can make it bigger or smaller just by grabbing the corner. So if it appears super, super large, you just grab the corner and make it smaller until it's an appropriate size to fit. These other buttons also will allow you to put it all the way to the right of the page, all the way to the left of the page. If you use the button here, that puts it, what these little lines are, they show the text. So that shows text will be above and below it, but not wrapped around it. And I'll try to get some fancier things added in here for you to do your photo editing to make it a little prettier. Now, once we've typed everything in, we're going to come over here to Page Attributes. And if this is going to be under Meet the Trainers, then we need to choose the parent page of Meet the Trainers. The order number, if you'd like them to appear in a certain order, like you'd like your trainers to be in alphabetical order or order of importance, then you can number them. If not, if all of them are in 0, normally it will just add the new one to the bottom. Same as with a page, we're then going to go ahead and publish it. And while I have this here, I'm going to just switch these real quick. So you can see you can move these up and down by order of importance. And I like to keep it this way. That way, once I'm done here, I just go straight down this side of the page. So now it's done. We're going to go ahead and publish it. And that will make it public. So now you can see here, page has been published, and we can go ahead and view the page. And I'm not going to click there simply because of the screen recorder I'm using will not switch tabs. So I'm going to click here to come and view the page. And now it appears under here. Now, if we wanted to edit that, we can actually, right from the public side, and this works for posts also, we can click Edit. And this will only appear as an option if you're logged in. So visitors will not see that option at all. Only you will see that option. So we can come in and make any changes we need to make. Now, if we want to remove this, because obviously I don't want it there since it is a sample, I'm going to come back here to All Pages, come down and find it, and I can either hit the trash, or if there were multiple I wanted to delete, what I can do is put the check marks next to any of the ones I wanted to delete, come up here and say Move to Trash and Apply. And now it shows that there are 2 in the trash can. The other was the original sample page that WordPress added to your site just to show as a sample. So we're going to check the little box here to check everything and tell it to empty the trash. So now there are no more trash wasting any space in your website. That is how you add a page. Now, just so you're aware, you can nest pages multiple items deep. So if under classes, you wanted to then make a page for Monday classes, you can do that. You would say add new, title it Monday classes, parent classes. And then under that, if there's going to be 2 classes, what you would do is you would say add new and make that class, let's say Zumba. And then when it came over here to parent on the right-hand side of the screen, what you would do is you would choose Monday classes as the parent. If you're looking here, you can see that I can choose any page to make it a parent. So if under Caroline, I wanted to put information on both of the classes that she's teaching this week or something of that sort, I can do that simply by making her the parent. Now remember, these are not dated, so these are not things that you would want like to do this week, next week. You want to do these as semi-permanent pages. I understand that your classes will change. So each time that you change your class schedule, then you're going to come in here and edit it. But I know for general, your classes are going to run the same day, the same week for multiple weeks at a time. So this isn't something that's going to be dated like your exercise of the day and so forth.